There have been some big wins in the garden this year. We grew some perfect beets, beautiful tomatoes, and the summer squash have been non-stop. But at the same time, it has not been an easy year for growing. We had a wet, cool spring, and this summer we have had so much more rain than usual, which in one aspect can be a good thing because it means less watering. But on the other hand, it can be a negative thing because with consistent wet conditions, that leads to fungal issues like blight, and blight is everywhere this year. The other day, I'm out in the garden pruning my tomatoes to remove the blight, just angry and annoyed, thinking, this is the worst year for tomatoes. The rain is just constant, it's nonstop, it's so hard, and it's just frustrating and so annoying dealing with the blight this year. I get to the point where I'm like, whatever, I'm done for now. I gotta go run some errands anyways. So I leave, head out to the food store. I'm in the car. While I'm in the car, I'm still angry at the rain, the blight, and the critters eating my tomatoes, like this one right here, getting right at it. I'm so annoyed. I get to the food store and then I grab a few things, maybe a half a bag. I bring it to the register, get it rung up, and it's $100. I'm like, $100 for what? I feel like I barely got anything. And that gets me a little bit annoyed. And then I'm like, whatever, I gotta get back at home. It is what it is. And just, it feels like the prices of things have doubled in like the last few years, and it can be discouraging. Now I hop back in my car, I go back home, and at this point, I'm mad at the rain, the blight, the pests, and now the price of food. I get home from the food store, open my phone, and watch a video that instantly takes me out of my anger and actually makes me feel a bit like a fool. I had been so focused on my own circumstances, and I had gotten so locked in to my own minor problems that I lost perspective. 20 minutes ago, I'm at the food store thinking, dude, $1 is worthless. What can you get with it? You can't even get a can of Arizona iced tea. Then now, after watching the video, I'm thinking, wow, I never knew $1 could be so powerful. I am over here complaining that my tomato plants, they've got too much water and too much rain, and now they've developed a little bit of blight. I'm mad because my tomato harvest isn't going to be as big as I hoped it would be. I'm having a bad day because the chipmunks are coming out and stealing some of my tomatoes, when in reality, I am blessed beyond belief. I'm doing what I love. I have more food than I can eat. I have more water at this point than I even want. Yet I'm complaining when there's people out there that their best day ever, I would consider to be a bad day, or maybe one of my worst days. And that makes me kind of take a step back for a second. And it's just, I'm here complaining about blight, and there's people who are fighting to stay alive. There's people who are just fighting to get access to clean drinking water, yet I'm over here complaining about insignificant things. In reality, I have never had it hard. I've lived a soft life, and I've been probably ungrateful, to be honest. When I saw the Team Water Challenge that Mr. Beast and Mark Rober set up, it instantly flipped my perspective, and I knew that I needed to do something. We as gardeners know the true value of water. Nothing happens without it. No germination, no growing, and then obviously no harvesting. You could have seed, you could have soil, but without water, you have nothing. And when I found out and realized that just $1 could provide someone with access to clean drinking water for a whole year, it made me realize, you know what? $1 can truly have impact, and it really can go a long way. To try and make an impact here at Team Grow, we are giving away $500 to Team Water. In addition to that, we're also going to be giving away 5 free irrigation kits to all of you for your continued support. Another thing we're doing is we designed a new shirt, a new piece of merch, which you can see right here. Our designer, Sydney, put it together for us, and we're really happy with how it came out. And anyone who buys this shirt, not only will you be help spreading the message of Team Water, but for every shirt bought, we're going to be donating $10 to Team Water. So essentially, for every shirt you buy, you will be giving 10 people access to clean drinking water for a whole year. Our ultimate goal is to get to $1,000 to give to Team Water. This way, we can give access to clean drinking water to 1,000 people for a whole year. With all the blessings and opportunities that I have, like this apple tree just loaded with fruit, I should have given back more, but I haven't. That's why right now is the perfect time. Because if I do something on my own, that could be pretty strong. But if we come together as a team, like Team Grow, we could do something powerful. It's like a strand of rope. One strand of rope on its own, that's easily broken, that's easily torn. But when we come together as a team and we weave those strands together, that forms a rope, a strong one that's not easily broken. That's what it's about. And when we combine our team with the bigger Team Water, we can do something that's not powerful, that's not strong, that's mighty, that can move mountains, that can change lives. So today, join us on our mission to give the gift of life. Water. All it takes is $1, and that could give drinking water to someone for a whole entire year. I can't think of a better way to use $1 to get more value out of $1, especially in the world we live in today. If you're not in the position to donate right now, I'm not asking that you do, but I am asking that you help out by hitting the like button, commenting on the video, or sharing this video to help get the message of Team Water out there. I know that overall the gardening community is incredibly giving, and it blows me away even to go on YouTube and to look at the comments on my videos. It's almost always positive, and just throughout the whole gardening community, everyone is kind and positive and uplifting. There have been some strong words that I've used in this video, and I've used a relatively probably strong and potentially harsh tone at some points, but that was not directed towards you. That's almost me talking to myself, because I haven't done as much as I could, and that's not a good feeling. So sometimes I need to just give myself a wake-up call. Overall, I am so thankful for the gardening community. It's the greatest community out there. It's the most giving community. That's why I think that we could come together and just have a big impact and help a lot of people. If you're in a position where you can't give, we're giving to you. All you have to do to win one of the 5 irrigation kits, and that's got like I think over a $500 value, all you have to do is go into the Team Grow community and make a post, put a picture up, and just put hashtag Team Water in there, just so we know that you're posting in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and pick 5 posts from the community and give you guys an irrigation kit, give you the gift of water. And maybe you are someone who donates $1 and you give water for someone for a whole year. We'll give you an irrigation kit, hopefully give you water for as long as you continue gardening. That's today's video, growers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. This is definitely a different kind of video than I've made in the past, but I felt like almost like a weight on me that I needed to do it. I just needed to get out here, and I feel like just share what I was feeling, because the garden looks beautiful, things are looking great, but I just kept getting caught up in these stupid mini minor problems and just shifted my perspective. I'm happy that I saw that video, the Team Water one, to help me step out of like that tunnel vision that I got where I was only focused on myself. And I think that to be able to do something like this, it'll just be helpful in general. So that's why it was something that was pressing on me. That's why it's something that I wanted to do. I want to send a thank you to one of our new channel members, Jesse Renee. Thanks for being a part of Team Grow. Thanks for having your hand in everything we're doing out here. The garden looks beautiful. It's growing really well. The nights are getting a little cooler. So many tomatoes are ripening, and overall, just the harvests are non-stop. Yeah, a few of the tomatoes have blight, but overall things are incredible, and that's what I need to focus on, the good things, not just get locked in on those negative things, because that can really bring your whole attitude and your mood down considerably. I also want to mention to check out the merch at teamgrow.us. We've got the Team Grow shirts, we've got the new Team Water, Team Grow coming together shirts, and we have just a plethora of different kinds of designs that I'm super proud of. Check them out at teamgrow.us, grab one, and again, any of the Team Grow shirts, we will be contributing that money to Team Water to try to make as much of a difference as we can. Again, this video, it's very important. If you like it, comment and share it with other people. We want to get this message out. It's all about helping people that truly need it. We'll be back to you with another one real soon. We